Butte.
Butte.
You say mesa.
Mesas.
You say spires.
Spires.
I don't think we need to explain where we are right now. It's amazing here. We're in Monument Valley in Arizona. We're staying in Monument Valley in Utah, right across the state line, at Goulding's Campground, which is fantastic. But this is John Ford's Point at the 17-mile scenic loop on the Navajo tribal land. And I mean, wow.
Yeah, it's beautiful. We are about halfway through the Monument Valley Loop. We are at Artist Point, and you can see a lot of the mesas and buttes behind us. It's a really beautiful place.
This is an extremely bumpy road. We see people out here with cars, small cars. I wouldn't do that. The truck is bouncing all over the place. But and there's also really loose sand, like really, really fine sand, which probably, I imagine people get stuck in every once in a while. Not too bad if you keep moving, but gets deep in spots. But Erin's been driving, which has been nice because I can look out the window. Yeah, it's beautiful here. And the sun is really bright.
Yep.
Off of stop, I think it's 10 or 11, there's a little trail that kind of leads back around here, around the backside of Clyde Butte towards Artist Point, which is over that way. This is a beautiful, beautiful little trail. Tara and Brooke went storming off down there It's really easy to walk on. There's, you know, some loose dirt and rocks and stuff, so be careful, but it's really not that bad. But Aaron and Ben came about halfway around, and the views back here are just amazing. There's no one else here. You're not hearing cars driving by. It's just, I mean, come on. Look at the view. It is beautiful here.
Ben in his natural habitat on the trail, playing with the rocks.
Ben, look at that rock.
A rock.
There's a rock.
Bumping steps.
Ben, say, Daddy, go fast.
Daddy, go fast.
Yeah, go fast.